Hi everyone, you are watching this video if you chose special holiday as the activity you are going to be researching for the International Day project. So if you chose special holiday, you will be clicking on this topic and making a copy of this activity sheet, and it looks like this. Holidays around the world. Holidays are an important part of every country's culture. They mark important religious days and honor important people and events, which had a lasting influence on a nation. National holidays like the 4th of July in the USA are patriotic holidays. Think about an important holiday in your home country. Answer all 5 questions about a holiday in your country. So slide 1 would be the name of the holiday. Slide 2 would be when is the holiday typically celebrated? Slide 3 would be describe how this holiday is celebrated. And we broke it down for you. Is it celebrated with family members or friends? Do you have off from school for this holiday? Are there any special clothes worn on this holiday? Are there special decorations for this holiday? Is there special music associated with this holiday? What foods do you eat during this holiday? Are gifts given or exchanged? What kind of gifts? So all these questions would be in Google slide number 3. Remember to try and add as much visuals like pictures as possible in each slide. Moving on to slide 4, describe the origin of this holiday. When did this holiday start? What is the importance of the holiday? What is the special meaning or story behind this holiday? Does this holiday remember a special person or event in your country? All of those questions will be answered. You may answer them in paragraph format or in bullets if you'd like for slide number 4. For slide number 5, the focus is this a religious or national holiday? What religion is associated with this holiday? Why is it important for the entire nation? Are schools and businesses closed during this period? Does the entire country celebrate this holiday? If not, who celebrates this holiday in your country? Do people travel during this period? Where might people in your country go? Those are all the questions that you will answer in slide number 5. And lastly, you are going to attach images of what a celebration of this holiday would look like. You can use your own personal photographs or ones from the internet, and you will attach those photos in your Google slide for the entire presentation. If you have any other questions about how to complete this activity sheet, reach out to me via Pupil Path or send me a private message on Google Classroom. Don't forget, you're working with your group members, if you have them, and divide up the work accordingly. Good luck!